Good evening, everyone. So, guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Okay. So, guys, in today's session, we are mainly going to see, right? We are supposed to deploy the stage VM, and basically, this is stage VM is there, right? Let me make it bigger for you, right? This is what because the networking part, basically, whatever we are doing, it's mainly related to your networking part. All of you know that to deploy any application, the first stack is going to be your networking, right? So we have done with VPN server just to remind you, just to give you a quick revision, right? And we have our own data center, that is Dave, staging, Preprod, and security VPC. Transit gateway also we have deployed. We have whitelisted all the IPs at VPC level, at transit gateway level, and all. And now today is most important that once you have done with most of the networking part, right? So now let's deploy some VM, okay, in your staging environment and in your pre-prod environment, guys, right? Because Dave, we are not going to touch as of now due to that IP issue and all, but yeah, this is enough. So whether we will be able to connect from your security VPC for by using your jump server once you deploy the VM in your pre-prod and your staging environment, guys. So this is the validation we are going to do today, right? And before that, do you guys have any doubt?
No, sir, I'm good.
No, sir.
Okay. So cool, guys. So let's start the session, right? So the first thing is that to deploy a VM in your pre-prod or a staging environment, right? So basically, you are going to validate, right? For security, from security, we are going to see whether we are going to connect to your uh, pre-prod VM or a staging VM, right? So let's go to our console. Okay. So in this console, let's click on EC2, right? And let's launch an instance. One instance we are going to launch for uh, your staging environment. Another one we are going to launch
Preprod.
pre-prod, right? Before that, one thing I have missed it, which we need to do on a regular basis, that let's connect to VPN, right? So because everything we are going to do it in a private network, right? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, it's not connecting because the instance are not running, guys. So these things, because as I told you, guys, this is going to be bit costly. So if your guys are going to do this project, so my suggestion is that immediately once you have done with your project, immediately stop those VMs. Otherwise you will see the billing and all, it's going to be very big for you. Okay, so it's going to be more because this is a real time project. So obviously it's going to cost you. Okay, so if you see the billing, I just wanted to see the billing dashboard. That is also important for us to understand. Let me click over here. Yeah, billing and cost management. So the forecast for this month, you'll understand what I'm going to get, guys. Okay, so it's because of the elastic IP only. You can see here $24 it's already reached, right? Month to date cost, right? Total forecast for the current month, it's almost $42, right? Are you guys getting this one, right? So last month I have already paid $5.26. Okay. So just think of it how much I am paying for this project already. Okay. So this is what, because this project is not a small project, guys. Okay, I told you this is a real time project. Whatever I am explaining in front of you, just see this month how much it is costing me. So now you guys understand the fee and all, everything is included. That is because of the resources what I am going to show you, and the cost is involved in that only, right? So the project itself is a very costly, correct? So this is why nobody will show you these real-time projects and all. Okay, so let's get into the business, guys. Let's go to this EC2, right? And here you can see our instance is up and running. It's because of that billing is coming. It's only because of your EC2 Elastic IP, guys. Okay, the Elastic IP which we were using, it's because of that only. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. So now you can see your VPN server is up, your jump box is also up. Okay, so let's come over here. Can we retry again? Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, so it's connected. You can see we are connected to the VPN tunnel, right? Can we connect to the jump box also? Okay. So let's connect to this jump box, and then I'll will spin up those VM in your stage environment and your in your basically pre-prod environment.
Preprod.
And
Preprod.
correct, right? That is the thing we need to do. So let's come over here, and your Jumpbox server IP, it's going to be private IP only. You no need to copy, just open terminus. Friends, to watch complete video, please join my channel membership. You can see I have 4 levels of my channel membership. So where you guys are going to get bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So friends, in bronze, you should be able to access 20% of the member only video. And if you go with silver membership, then you should be able to access 40% of the member only video. And if you'll go with gold membership, which is most valuable and value for money, my friend, so where you should be able to access 80% of the member only video. And if you wanted to go with a platinum membership, where you should be able to access 100% of the member only video, plus additional, you should be able to connect with me for career counseling. You can go for the mock interview. I am going to help you for your resume preparation. I'll provide you the roles and responsibility also as per your experience level, right? At the same time, I am going to refer you for the organization also. These are basically 4 level of membership which is available in my channel. So I'll put the link in the description how to join my channel membership, so you can join the membership to watch member only video, guys. So okay guys, let's end up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected. Let's connect again for the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.